Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you how to use sticker and emoji in CapCut. Alright, after you import your video to CapCut, you can click anywhere but the video, and then if you want to use emoji or sticker, you have to find sticker option on the bottom of your screen. You have to slide your screen and then find sticker. It's right here, and just tap on stickers option. And then make sure that you have a good internet connection to download the sticker from CapCut. Alright, this is the sticker and emoji, and there will be a lot of options for you guys. And if you want to choose emoji, you just have to click on this emoji icon. And if you want to choose sticker, you just have to click on the sticker. And today I'll go with emoji, so just click on the emoji that you want, and I'm choosing this emoji. Okay, and then after you choose the emoji that you want, you can click this check mark. Alright, and then you can edit the emoji by clicking on the emoji, and you can zoom in or zoom out like this. Alright, and you can move the emoji by tap and hold on the emoji, and you can adjust the length like this. And you can also animate the emoji. Just have to click animation option on the bottom of your screen right here. Click animation and choose the animation that you want, and I'll go with this animation. Just click on the animation that you want to add to your emoji, and then after that you can click this check mark. Okay guys, that's how we can use sticker and emoji in CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.